afternoon, students. Today we shall learn another experiment, that is designing of fixed voltage power supply voltage regulator using IC regulators 78 series and 79 series. So here we will be using 7805 regulator and 7905 voltage regulator. So these are the apparatus required, and the circuit diagram for 7805 voltage regulator experiment is as shown in the figure. The same circuit is rigged up here. You can see this is the 7805 voltage regulator having 3 pins, 1, 2, 3. The first pin is connected to the input supply, DC power supply, and the second pin is grounded. So the grounding is given from this terminal, and the third pin is given to the output voltage, that means to the CRO which is shown here, and to the first pin the capacitance of 0.33 microfarad is connected, and to the third pin a capacitance of 0.1 microfarad is connected along with the resistance of 20k. Now there are two sub experiments, I mean to say two tabulations. In the first tabulation we will keep the load resistance, this is the load resistance constant 20k, and we will be varying this input voltage and note down this output voltage in the CRO. In the second tabulation, the input voltage will be constant, say 10 volts, and we will vary the load resistance and corresponding output voltage is noted. So very good afternoon, students, welcome back. So yesterday we learned how to rig up the circuit in the breadboard and its connection for 7805 and 7905 regulators. So today we shall tabulate the readings of 7805 in two ways. One, by keeping the load resistance constant, and the second one by keeping the input voltage constant. Now I will keep this load resistance to 20 kilo ohm. Here it is 20 kilo ohm, and this will be constant, and I will vary the input voltage from 5 volts so the input voltage is 5 volt and the corresponding output voltage in the multimeter is 3.745, and this reading is tabulated in the first tabular column. Similarly, I will vary the voltage to 6 volts and note down the output voltage. This output voltage is tabulated in the tabular column. The same procedure is repeated for different input voltage, 7 volts, 8 volts, so on up to 30 volts, and the corresponding reading is tabulated in the output voltage column. You can observe here the output voltage remains constant, that means the regulation is being done. So this is one of the way for tabulation by keeping the load resistance constant, that is 20 kilo ohm. In the second method, the input voltage is kept constant at 10 volts and the load resistance is varied. So now I am varying the load resistance to 10 kilo ohm and the output voltage is 4.9, and this reading is tabulated in the second tabular column. Similarly, by varying the resistance to 20 kilo ohm, 30 kilo ohm, 40 kilo ohm, so on up to 100 kilo ohm, the readings output voltage is observed in the multimeter and it is tabulated in the tabular column. Thank you. So welcome back students. In the previous experiment we learned the voltage regulator 7805. Now we shall learn the voltage regulator using 7905. The connection of the 7905 voltage regulation is as done in the breadboard. See, the first pin is grounded, the second terminal or the second pin is given to the input and the third pin is given to the output. I mean to say, the second pin, the input voltage is given to the second pin and the output voltage is observed from the third pin in the multimeter. So similar to 7805, here we are doing two tabulations for 7905. One tabulation by varying the input voltage and keeping the load resistance constant. In the second tabulation, we will vary the input voltage and the RL is kept constant, and in both the tabulation output is seen in the multimeter. So in the first tabulation, I have varied the input voltage to 5 volts and kept the RL to 20 kilo ohms, and the output voltage we are getting here is 3.179. This is tabulated in the tabular column. In the same way, I will vary the voltage to 6 volts. With RL constant, and we get the output voltage as 4.127. It keeps on varying. So in the same way, the input voltage is varied in steps of 1 and corresponding output voltage is noted. Now in the second tabulation, the input voltage is kept at 5 volt constant and we will vary the load resistance in steps of 10, 20, 30, 40, so on up to 100 kilo ohm. In each variation of the load resistance, the output voltage is noted and tabulated in the tabular column. So this 3.56 is obtained by varying the load resistance to 10 kilo ohm with input voltage constant. If I vary this to 20 kilo ohm, the output voltage varies and this voltage is tabulated in the tabular column. Thereby we have designed the voltage regulation using 7905 series and 7805 series of regulators. Thank you.